Athanasian Creed, Episode 12. Pater a nullo est factus, nec creatus, nec genitus. Filius a patre solo est, non factus, nec creatus, sed genitus. The Father, pater, est factus, was made by no one. Est factus is the third singular, perfect indicative passive from the verb facio facere, which is third conjugation. So the Father was made by no one. Nullo is masculine, singular, and ablative of agent. Nor was he created, nec creatus est, by anyone, nor was he begotten, nec genitus a nullo, by anyone. The Son, filius, masculine singular nominative as the subject. The Son is out of or from the Father alone, and patre solo is masculine, singular, and ablative. It is not an ablative of agency. We should hesitate to call it an ablative of separation, because there is distinction but not division, so we might call it an ablative of source or origin. The Father is from the Son alone. He is not made, non factus est, or he was not made, nec creatus, nor was he created, but genitus est, he was begotten. Each one of these, factus, creatus, and genitus, is masculine singular nominative to be the predicate of filius.